Okay guys, so I'm going to be talking about 6x6 centers. So I've had a few people ask me, because I said something on Discord that meant I know quite a few weird tricks for 6x6 centers. A bunch of people ask me about it, so here you go. So I have a bunch of different random strategies for doing it I've just learned over my solves. And so I'm going to go and show you what I got. So first is the standard. I'm just going to show you the standard bar method. So you build 2 bars. You can either build 2 bars in the middle, or you can build a second bar, like a bar like this on the edge. I'm going to call these outer pieces, outer bars or whatever. Or you can do 2 bars like that. There are a few things that I will do. The first thing is, if I've got like a square like this, or if it's fairly simple to build, then I'll keep that square, and then I'll try to build another square like that, and then put them together like you would in 4x4 centers to get 2 bars. And then after that I'll do the rest of the bar strategy. So I'll just, unless of course there's other blocks, which sometimes there are. Unless I find anything else nice, I'll do that. So here we go. So there's one center. I'll just go and do first 2 centers and show you guys what I do. So in this case, I would actually do this and get this bar. And then I've got this bar up here by just doing that. And then I'd put this bar in. Then I see I've got this bar right here. And so I'll just build first 2 centers because there's not anything interesting in the first 2 centers here. It's just bar building. But there's all these weird cases that I do that are kind of cool. Okay, so let me just try to set one up quick. So say I've got something like this on this orange center where I've got like this 2x2 block in the middle. Well, when that happens, it's usually fairly simple to go and build a 2x2 block, another 2x2 block, because it's just building these 2 centerpieces and then building 2 edges like that. And I've got 2 bars in the middle, and then I'll just finish up with bars. So there we go. A few other things I'll do is if I get, let me see if I can set it up. If I've got this 2x2 block again, and then I've got a really easy 1x1x2 in the front, then I'll just take this block and insert the 2 1x1x2s. So let me show you that again. So like say I've got this, and then I've got one really easy 1x2, then I'll put the 1x2 and then I'll build another 1x2 and put it in. Okay, so then, yeah, and then I'll get 2 bars on one side, and I'll just go from there. Sometimes I'll have more than one cool thing happen, interesting bar thing happen during a solve, during one set of centers. But usually that's when I have that. So now, for last 2 centers, same kind of idea as normal. You want to get 2 bars on one side. In fact, these ones go right here. So I think I'll actually hold it like this. And you want to get a 3rd bar. In this case, I see I've got this right here, and this right here, so I can just do that. And then you want to do commutators. I just remember it by, I see this red piece, and then I do RU prime. Then I see where that red piece is and do a slice move, undo the first 2 moves, and then do an adjustment move and then go down. So it's pretty easy to remember if you just do it like this. Okay, I got this line. Okay, so that's about it for the weird shortcuts I do. Yeah, so you can also combine them. So like, if I've got 2, let me try to set this up on red quick. So if I've got these 2, and then I've got a 1x1x2 right here that's really easy to build. then I got that, but then say I've also got like a square. Let me see if I can build that quick. But then if I've also got like a square or something fairly similar, ignore all this building. So then if I've got like this right here, this red right here, then I can just build another square and add it onto this, which has already been done with cool tricks. So let's build the rest of that square. Okay, I cannot do this very easily. There we go, finally. So then I can do these two with a square thing, 2x2s. So then you can use more than one, especially if they're on the edges like this. But I learned all these just by doing a lot of slow 6x6 solves, and they're pretty great. They make 6x6 centers a lot more efficient than just bar. Even though I do use bars a lot of the time. And so thanks for watching.